Let's talk about how to choose lipstick color.
Artistry has made it easy because they've created a universally flattering shade collection, so there's a shade for everyone. To find your shade, it helps to know your skin's undertone. Is it warm or cool?
Shades that have the same undertone as your skin tend to look more natural. For instance, if you wear only gold jewelry, chances are you are a warm undertone. So choose shades that are warmer, such as number 205 Firecracker Red or number 110 Crush on Coral.
If you only wear silver, platinum, or white gold, choose shades in the cooler range, like 204 Road Trip Red and 106 Secret Crush Scarlet. Now, let's select the right shade of bold matte red lipstick for Mackenzie. I've created a natural makeup look with a dramatic eyeliner, which goes perfectly with a bold matte red lipstick.
Mackenzie has warm undertones, so number 205 Firecracker Red fits perfectly.
Yes, I think this one is going to be our best bold matte red lipstick.
And as makeup artists, Nanda and I agree that no matter what your undertone, wear the shade that makes you feel happy and confident.